Hello guys, welcome to Ibrahim Chronicles. Today we are going to have a first look of iPadOS 26. Beautiful translucent, as you can see. The release candidate has been released for all the beta developers, and Monday we will be getting the iPadOS 26 final version. The release candidate Gold Master. You can see all the features, guys. Apple Intelligence is built in right into the iPadOS software. Right now I'm running iPadOS on iPad Air M2, the M2 family, the silicon of Apple. Wonderful performance, guys. I'm just exploring all the different features. Apple Intelligence, Chat GPT integration. Wow, what an amazing thing. And moreover, the performance is amazing, translucent. As you can see, the navigation is 120 Hz. Amazing, guys, on iPadOS 26 on Mac iPad Air M2. Wow. And also battery settings, you can see a revamped battery settings. It also shows you what percentage battery is left, how long would it take to charge the battery, and 80% limit to safeguard from your battery failures instead of charging 100%. Coming to wallpapers, a big list of wallpapers are available for iPadOS 26. As you can see, we are navigating all the wallpapers. Amazing, guys, just amazing. Looking forward for the September release. iPadOS 26 right on 15th of September, guys. By evening time, across the world, you will get the final version of iPadOS 26. Right now, I am using iPadOS 26 release candidate, nothing but a final testing version prior to the Gold Master or prior to the official release. See the translucency, guys. Amazing, isn't it? The way the icons are right now in light mode. Amazing. As you can see, Safari browser, every features are amazing, guys. I can resize the windows. The performance is good on Safari as well. By the way, iPad 17, iPhone 17, all are getting released, right? So I'm just resizing the browser window. As you can see, very smooth integration, almost zero bugs. But let's see, September 15th, iPadOS 26 is going to release final version. Maybe some of the bugs might be fixed. As of now, I see release candidate is pretty stable, solid stable, guys. Stable like a rock. Performance is good, as you can see here. I'm able to minimize, rename the browser. The familiar, the three icons, right? Mine, minimize and maximize. The three icons from the Mac operating system are also familiar. And the translucent, you can see the control center. I can add the widgets. Very fluid state, guys. Performance is amazing. And let us change these icons now. When I go to customize, I can change the icons light, dark, tinted, and default. Followed by size, large icons, small icons, heavy brightness, low brightness. As you can see here, icons are able to change. Very dynamic in nature. You have multiple color options available to customize your entire home screen as you wish. Amazing. Apple has done a good job, especially on the translucency. I think from Vision OS, this has been heavily taken as input, and all the devices of Apple now include this transparency effect. Wow. Just a wow factor, guys. Let's see the different features available. So right now, I am just navigating on across different settings, trying to look for any other settings that might be changed. Here you can see, when I am moving the brightness control, the cursor or the button is just becoming transparent. Very fluid in nature, guys. Very fluid. Wow. This is also a very good feature. Let us continue exploring. By the way, the Apple Silicon M2 chipset is super fast and is taking advantage of neural learning networks, machine learning algorithms, and we have Apple Intelligence right incorporated along with Chat GPT free version. You can also sign in and upgrade it to the higher version as well. So let us go to the different settings now. By the way, do comment me, how do you like the beautiful iPadOS 26, as well as you can check the other PlayStation as well. So by the way, every application will have a menu now. On the top, full menu settings are available for every application. That is also a good feature, guys. And I was telling you about the battery. The new status of battery is showing 78% battery left. Along with it, It also shows you how long would it take to charge the battery when you connect the battery to the adapter. I mean the iPad to the adapter. And you can see the camera system, everything is very fluid guys. Amazing fluid. Performance is good as of now. Let me explore some of the settings as well. Camera settings, I don't see any major changes. Icon is different. And also let's go to the other application as well. As I told you, every application will have a menu now, its own menu guys. That's really great. Let us launch the image playground. This is one of the most important feature of Apple Intelligence, where you can create a virtual image, a sketch or a comical character with the various scenarios. Got it? And please note, Apple Intelligence is in still learning stage. Results will not be that accurate. As you can see, I just searched for mountain, Everest Base Camp. Let us search for that and it can show you the image right away. You can use this image in Notepad, journal, email, or you can share it with your friends. And moreover, the images are dynamic in nature. Depending on the conditions that you apply, image is getting created automatically using Apple Intelligence. As you can see here, we have a mountain. Not necessarily Everest, but it's a mountain along with few different conditions I have mentioned. So it's going to create those conditions dynamically guys. So release candidate performance is very good. I really like it. So by the way, this is getting released to all the Apple devices, major of devices guys. I see that right from iPhone 11 until the latest generation, iPhone 17. Similarly, iPad Air, 5th generation until now, is going to be released everywhere. As you can see here, it's generating the images. Wow, a good wow factor, especially for fun and also for business purpose. I can create diagrams, I can create different sketches depending on the various conditions that you apply. Apple Intelligence in action guys. Super happy to explore Apple Intelligence on iPadOS 26 on iPad Air M2, the Apple Silicon version guys. Overall, I really like, as you can see, dynamically creating different sketches. So when I change the sketch or option, it's going to generate the image dynamically. As you can see here, very good. So let us progress with other options as well. Yes, you can also use ChatGPT as well. While creating the image, I can select ChatGPT and that can also create a dynamic image for you. As you can see, connecting with ChatGPT. Sometimes ChatGPT, since a free version, it might be delayed. But nevertheless, we have the option. It's a good option in Image Playground to use the ChatGPT very happily. So by the way, we also have Journal, a new application within iPadOS 26. As you can see here, Preview. This is a new feature where you can preview the files dynamically within the iPadOS 26, not necessarily opening the application. Wow, what a fluid environment guys. Amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. So now let us see how we can resize the widgets on the fly. Here I am selecting the clock icon, holding it. You can see here I can drag the clock anywhere on the screen so seamlessly. Other icons also try to adjust accordingly. As you can see here, beautiful feature guys. This is an amazing feature. I can customize my iPadOS 26 as the way I want it. That's what is required. Apple is all about customization. Amazing. Let's go to map. And by the way, every app will have its menu. Every app will have the 3 dots, the close dot, the minimize dot, and the maximize circle. These 3 options are available similar to Mac OS. As you can see here, when I open the translucency, oh god, what a beautiful translucent setup. Slowly the icons are able to, as you can see here, when I'm slowly dragging it on the translucent window, slowly these numbers are slowly coming up and appearing. Wow, what a fluid guys, what a fluid. Very nice fluid over here. Fluid kind of interface guys. I know this has been taken largely from the Vision operating system, the Vision OS, and now for the entire Apple ecosystem, this fluid system is enabled. Entire Apple ecosystem. Wow, what a smooth guy, what a smooth. Amazing. So let us try to see and explore more other features. And by the way, as I told you, every menu will have its own menu system. Now this is the map, as you can see here. Very fluid, guys. Performance is really improved. Even Apple Maps performance is just one and the great. Amazing performance. I can change it to satellite imagery, traffic conditions, as well as 3D. Yes, guys, the map can give you 3D environment as well. As you can see here, we're just neighboring places. We are just zooming it around in the Apple Map. Similar to Google Map, Apple Map is now native machine learning enabled with the neural network, guys. Just amazing. Wow, what a fluid movement, guys. Isn't it? Just amazing. So let us continue. Let's search for Seattle. Okay. Seattle, now the 3D imagery. Wow, it also shows you the different places of interest where tourism you can go there. And I can drag and drop. Very fluid. Wow, what a beautiful view of Seattle, guys. Amazing, isn't it? And by the way, Windows, you can see the drag and drop feature in iPadOS26. I can literally put the window anywhere, guys. Isn't that not great? That's very great. I just opened Mail. As you can see here, I can click on the top left corner. You will get the icon like Mac, the red one, yellow one, and the green one. Similar to that, I can minimize it, maximize it, or close it. As you can see, I'm able to place all the different windows stacked side by side, one on top of other one. This is a good feature. As you can see, slowly the iPad and the Mac, the variations are getting decreased. The interface especially resembles Macintosh as well. If you have an iPad along with a keyboard, yes, guys, you can work like almost like a MacBook. As you can see here, the control center is also pretty fluid. Below icons are also able to see on top of it. Slowly, if you drag, you will be able to notice the transparent effect, guys. Coming to calendar, in the calendar also you have a lot of options available, especially. And as I told you, every application now looks like a desktop application for me, guys. See the menu system. On top you have a menu, and see the bubble, how the bubble is wrapping on top in the App Store. So beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful, guys. As I slowly hover across my finger, slowly the transparent effects are getting dissolved. The text is getting dissolved in the underlying layer, guys. Just amazing. Moreover, the icons are also amazing, guys. Fluid icons. Let us continue exploring. For a few weeks I'll explore, then I can also guarantee and tell you about the battery performance. So because battery performance takes some time to explore, then only we can confirm how the battery is working upon, right? So now let us go to the next app, guys. This is the home app. I think this is beautiful Apple Music. Every app is amazing, guys. Seriously. Sometimes you have little bit bugs. It takes a second or more to load, but once it is loading, you can see how the underlying images are slowly dissolving in the upper layers of the interface. The way Apple has incorporated this design is just amazing. Very eye-pleasing, very eye-candy. Wow. Just a word, wow. So when an underlying is red color, the upper layer also becomes translucent red. That's what transparency is. It is. So everywhere transparency is incorporated everywhere in the entire ecosystem of Apple products. So now let us launch the next app. Now I have just launched the Apple TV. Apple TV, as you know, is a paid Apple One subscription. Here also a lot of changes are there. As you can see, the icons are different now, as well as the menu system is available. Resize option is also available, guys. You can put this window anywhere. While doing work, you can watch a movie, or maybe you can watch a video file. Is it that amazing? I'm just playing one video just for your reference, the Revenant movie. Credits to Revenant, guys. So once I start playing it, I can put anywhere, guys. That's the beauty of it. See here, I can put anywhere that particular window. That is the beauty of the Apple iPadOS 26. So let's continue navigating the other features. So what is this one? Podcast. Yes, guys, podcast is also updated now. It can connect to all your subscriptions like Apple Music and other stuff. It will show you the channels. They are called as channels, the podcast channels, where you can play the audio file of the particular podcast. Really great, guys. I really liked the way the Apple software is evolving. By the way, WWDC 26 is the time when the beta 1 was released, the month of June. Now, in the course of 3 months, we're almost nearing to the iPadOS 26 final version releasing on Monday, September 15th. Right now, I'm just opening Keynote. All the applications are showing multiple menus, guys, just like the Macintosh operating system. Keynote. Let's open the Keynote with a blank presentation. And I can see here, from the top, if I hover across my finger, use the whole menu system, guys. Just like the counterpart of MacBook application. Whole menu is available with the cross, minimize and maximize. All the options are very clearly depicted on this particular menu. Let us open the other applications as well. Let's try to compare and contrast these applications with the iPadOS 18. So by the way, all the applications are updated to the latest versions accordingly in iPadOS 26. If any changes are there, these will be incorporated in the release on Monday, September 15th. Just 2 more days for the launch, guys. The official launch of iPadOS 26 and iPhone OS 26. Wow. So what else we will explore? Let us open the other applications, the App Store. The App Store, okay, weather, App Store. By the way, every app is updated, guys. So let's open the App Store. As you can see, when I move the finger across on top, between the menus, full of transparent effects, guys. Full of transparent effect. Amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. I'm just searching for Apple products here. Apple apps. So let us open the other apps. I think I showed you Keynote. Let us open the next app, guys. Pages. Wow, what a splash screen, guys. What a splash screen. Getting started in Pages. This is new. Coming to iPadOS 26. I'm opening the document right now. You can see a very similar interface like the desktop variant. For the top, if I click on the drop down menu, you will see all the menus coming up just like the desktop. Slowly, Apple is decreasing the difference between iPad and a MacBook. You know why? Because of handoff. When any document I'm creating in Pages, I can easily hand off to the MacBook Pro. Any editing I do in MacBook, I can do a handoff to iPad Pro or iPad Air M2. That's the beauty of Apple Silicon. The ecosystem is very tightly integrated, guys. I just opened Numbers, Excel, right? Familiar Excel interface. Top, you can see menu. Every app will have its own menu, just like the counterpart, just like the desktop counterpart, guys. Just amazing. So let us continue with our evolving of other applications. Let us see what else we can check. I would like to show you as exhaustive as possible to our viewers how the performance is, so that they will able to judge whether to install the release candidate or whether to install the final version on Monday, September 15th. Final Cut Camera is a very new app, beautiful app. I can resize it wherever I need. As I told you, every app is resizable. That is more important. So I can put all my apps in a dynamic way. So as you can see here, it's asking me iMovie project. So I just ignore it. We just open the iMovie. I can drag, I can resize the whole window just like Macintosh or just like Windows operating system in the fact. On the top, let's see the different features, what else features are available. So what do you think, guys? I just opened Photos. Every app is having menu. If you have a keyboard and a mouse pointer, you can easily navigate to these interfaces very seamlessly. So next open the another app, Health. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Health app was only available in iPhone. Now it is available in iPad as well. Earlier, Health app was only available in iPhone. Now on the dashboard with more details, more clarity. is available on iPadOS 26. Health app is the most important app. During these uncertain times, things are going very abnormal. Stay healthy, stay fit. Open the health app, then you can easily navigate. So let's open the weather app. Every app is tightly integrated in the ecosystem. The menu systems are available, as you can see from top. Beautiful menus, guys, beautiful menus. So now I'm also opening contacts. Contacts also have got menus. Oh God. Contacts also have got menus here. And as well as next option would be what else we will figure out. So guys, how do you feel? iPadOS 26. If you like it, just set a wow, comment it. And if you really like it, also click on the like button, subscribe button, guys. Subscribe to the beautiful channel Himalayan Chronicles. I just opened the Chat GPT Siri intelligence along with the Chat GPT. As you can see here, I'm asking with some certain
at this time.
weather reports. It's able to deliver pretty okay. Still, intelligence is still evolving. App intelligence is still in beta stages. Slowly it evolves, guys. Slowly it evolves. Tight integration with Siri and Apple Intelligence.
Chat.
That is available across the world. Chat GPT also, guys.
Here's an answer
Apple
from
Intelligence, Chat GPT and Siri. All three are included now. Especially Chat GPT is in the development stage. Free version. You can also purchase and link the paid version as well. So overall, iPadOS 26 or iPad Air M2, mind blowing, guys. So this is the release notes. It gives you more details about the release notes. iPadOS up to date as of now. Monday, if there are any changes, then Monday will update it again to iPadOS 26 to include any new revisions of any particular application. So now let's go to Home. Home is one of the beautiful applications where you can integrate your smart devices on a single screen. Even this has got a new interface, new wallpaper, new menus. This menu system is very good, guys. If you have a keyboard and a mouse, happily you can navigate to the menu. That is really advantage. So many features are in common between the application. In fact, you can share the data from one app to other app, provided it is supported. It's a good feature, guys. So let us explore and continue using the iPadOS 26. Even Gmail also, for that matter, will have a menu. I told you, right? Every application will have a menu. As you can see, I just opened the Chrome. Even Chrome has got menu, guys. Menu will help you to navigate and customize the application as per your needs. So we'll continue running this operating system iPadOS 26 on the iPad Air M2. As you can see here, ringtones also new ringtone. In reflection, only one ringtone used to be there. Now I think 8 ringtones are available. That's also a good, amazing feature, guys. Very nice ringtone, guys. Enjoy the music. Amazing. So this is new, guys. By the way, coming to wallpaper, as I've shown already, multiple wallpapers are available. Customization options are also available for each wallpaper. Dark, light, automatic. Similarly, we also have notification grouping, intelligent grouping as well. I can group by application name or by time of day, which place currently I am logged in. All this can be grouped very easily to customize more, make it more personalized and make it more personal to you. That's the iPadOS 26 for you guys. Launching on Monday, September 15th from apple.com. You can just go to support section and you'll be able to download this particular new version very soon coming. So how do you feel this multi-window, multi-text, multi-window and also multi-touch capabilities? Health application is there, Siri is there. So many features, guys, so many features. I think I am pretty mind blown with iPadOS 26. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Your Loverji channel, Himalayan Chronicles. Viplavanita signing off.